Alright, in this video I want to show you how to reset your Schlage FE595 keypad board. Okay, so resetting this lock is going to return it to factory defaults. So you need the default programming code to reprogram the lock after the reset. So before we reset this lock, we need to find the default programming code. You can find this code on the user guide that comes with your lock. If you don't have it, then you want to remove your lock from the door and then check the back of the keypad assembly to find the default programming code. Okay, so let's go ahead and find the default programming code on the lock. Okay, so we need to remove this from the door and then check the back of the keypad assembly to find the default programming code. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Let's go to the interior assembly. And now we need to remove this from the door. So let's take off some screws here. Alright, so let's take this off. Okay, so let's go back to the exterior assembly. Okay, so now we can take this out of the door, pull it this way and pull it out carefully. Okay, so here's the programming code on this yellow sticker. You can find the programming code on a yellow or white sticker. In my case, there's a yellow sticker here and it has a programming code with 2 user codes. So you want to write this down. Okay, so that's where to find the default programming code. Now let's get it back. Okay, now we have the default programming code. So let's go ahead and reset the lock. The first step is to disconnect the battery. Okay, so right here. Okay, so disconnect the battery. And now you want to go to the keypad. Okay, now hit the select button once. Okay, go back to the interior assembly. Now let's connect the battery back. Okay, go back to the keypad. Now press and hold the select button. Keep holding. Okay, once you hear a long beep and the select button turns green, it means the reset is complete. Okay, so let's go back to the interior assembly. So now we can get this back. Alright. So let's get the screws in. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That's how to reset your Schlage FE595 keypad board. Okay, so now you can use any of the user code to unlock your door from the outside. Okay, so that's it. And you can also remove any of the user codes. So if you want to remove any of the user codes here, the first step is to enter the default programming code, the 6-digit code. Wait for 3 orange lights and 3 beeps. Now hit the select button and now you want to press 2. Okay, now enter the user code you want to remove. So mine here is 3344. Enter the code again. Okay, you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been removed. Okay, so let's test it. So you can see the code has been removed. And now if you want to add a new code, the first step is to enter your programming code, the 6-digit code. Wait for 3 orange lights and 3 beeps. Now hit the select button. And now you want to press 1. Okay, now enter your new 4-digit code. Enter the code again. Okay, you're gonna hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning your new 4-digit code has been added. So let's test it. Okay, so you can see the code is active. So you can repeat the steps to remove and add more user codes. Okay, and you can also change the 6-digit programming code. To do this, the first step is to enter the programming code. Wait for 3 orange lights and 3 beeps, and now hit the select button. Now press 3. Now enter your new programming code, 6 digits. So mine is going to be 553388. Enter the code again. Okay, you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning your new programming code is now active, and that's what you're going to use for other programming. Okay, so that's it. That's how to reset your Schlage FE595 keypad board and also reprogram it. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.